Hello everyone, and today we are going to learn derived verbs. So make sure you have your pen or your pencil, your book, and you are writing some notes. So with derived verbs, we are going to learn how to use aje as a suffix in a sentence. Remember, aje means how. We are also going to learn how to derive adverbs from nouns using prefix K. Aje is it's a question word meaning how. Aje, umekuja aje, how did you come? And that's it. So examples of using aje, you can have unasema aje, unasema aje, unasema aje book katika Kiswahili. So unasema aje will be, can be unasemaje, unasemaje. Unajua aje will be unajuaje. Sijui nifanye aje, sijui nifanyeje. Mtoto alijuaje kuimba from alijua aje. Mwalimu alijuaje kuwa sina kalamu from alijua aje, and kuwa is optional, that's why I put the brackets. Mgeni atakujaje, how will the visitor come? Mgeni atakuja aje, mgeni atakujaje. Umeipata nguo hii namna gani? Namna gani is the way, is the same as saying how did you get this, like by which means. Examples of sentences with interrogatives. Umeipata nguo hii namna gani? By which means have you gotten this cloth? Or how did you get this cloth? Tunakwenda vipi mjini? How are we going to town? By which means? Tutaupata vipi mji huo? How will we find that city? Walifika vipi nyumbani? How, in what condition? In what state did they arrive home? How did they arrive home? You can also comment down here with sentences using these prefixes, or sentences using that you have added aje, suffix aje, and made it a question phrase. Nouns derived verbs using the prefix key. Example, the noun biashara means business or commercial. Kibiashara, commercially speaking or commercially related. Kazi, work. Kikazi, colleague or work related. Mwili, body. Kimwili, physically. Tabia, behavior. Kitabia, character, like how you behave, kitabia. Kawaida, habit. Kikawaida, habitually or ordinarily. Ukweli, true. Kiukweli, truthfully, truly or in truth. Ujinga, nonsense. Kiujinga, like an imbecile. Nonsense like. Okay, nonsense like. For example, let's use these sentence examples. Anampenda kitabia. Kibiashara, bidhaa hizi ni bei ghali. Commercially speaking, these products are expensive. Anapenda kuongea kiujinga, or you can say kijinga, who is not a must. He likes speaking like an imbecile. Anajibu kitoto, he's answering childish, like a child. Tunaongea kikazi, we are speaking work-related matters. Work-related matters. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share the video if you liked it. And you may also want to look at my video. All you need to know about Pakumu noun class. People say that Pakumu is a noun class, but it is not exactly a Swahili noun class. We only have 6 noun classes in Kiswahili, and they are already covered in this channel. So you may want to check it, and please subscribe. Bye.